guys, welcome back to our channel. We have arrived here in Hamburg, Germany. Today is our only full day to explore this amazing city, so we thought we would do something very German. Now, when I think of Germany, I think of one thing and one thing only. Well, actually that's not true. I think of more than one thing, but one thing sticks out a lot more than anything else, and guys, that is of course beer. We're going to be doing a craft beer tasting walking tour. So we're going to be walking around today, exploring Hamburg and drinking beer. And the weather's turned out for us today. It's a beautiful sunny day, so let's go.
We booked through a company called Alternative Hamburg. They do walking tours and street art tours, beer tasting tours. So we've booked today's tour through them. Today we are hoping to go to 6 different establishments where we'll be trying 6 different beers, and we're actually lucky enough to go to Hamburg's smallest brewery today. So we're all very excited about that. And I'm really hoping to just learn a lot about beer culture here in Germany, because I didn't get to go to Oktoberfest this year, so this is gonna have to do.
At our first stop for the day, we're at Beyond Beer, and I think here we're going to be trying 2 different beers. There are so many amazing brightly colored beer bottles and cans of beer in here. So we have been given our first beer to try. It is an IPA, which I think is an Indian Pale Ale. Is that correct? Yes! Beer terms. I also know that hops is a beer term, but that's about as far as my beer knowledge goes. So hopefully today we'll be learning a little bit about that.
Cheers.
Is it good?
It's an IPA, so the guide was just saying that this particular beer, the recipe or the hops change every single time, so it is like the flagship beer for this particular company, but it's every time they brew it, it's slightly different, so it's quite nice. We've been at the Rathuseum Microbrewery for a little while now. We've been lucky enough to go on a tour, and it's really interesting. So they've just started exporting the Rathuseum beers. Our tour guide was saying that they're not quite as good when they're exported because they have to heat the beer up to a temperature of 70 degrees and then let it recool. So something does happen to the flavors, but the whole brewing process is really incredibly interesting.
We're just heading to our 3rd and final stop for the tour, which is a bar?
Yeah, we're going to a craft beer bar. Trying 6 different beers, but there are 3 stops.
Yes.
So our 3rd stop is a craft beer bar, just a short walk from where we are.
So we are here at our 3rd and final venue for our beer tour today, and very exciting, we are about to get a premiere of a beer. So our tour guide's friend, he actually brews this beer, and this is the first time that this beer has ever been on tap. The beer is called a Hopner's Mango Milkshake, which sounds delicious to me, but it is apparently the first time it's ever been on tap in any bar. We're about to get the premiere of this beer, so I am super, super, super excited. Cheers! Cheers! Cheers. I can actually taste the mango. This is really good. Like, I'm gonna be real with you guys, when I heard the word mango milkshake, I was kind of thinking like, is it gonna be milky? Because that's weird, right? That's weird in a beer, but this is actually really good. And you can really taste the mango, like the mango flavors are really coming through. It's really delicious.
Cool, so this is our final beer of the tour. We're not quite sure what to expect. We've had a lot of fruity and sort of sweet beers, and as our last beer, we all decided to go with something smoky. It doesn't smell smoky. It tastes smoky. Okay. I don't like to say this, but look, 50-50, it's my first sip, but it kind of tastes a little bit like cigarettes. It's not something that I love. I don't think I'd go this beer again. But the positive thing is this is the last one and there's not much of it, so that means we just get to order a new beer after this.
Some people just can't
Oh man, it's been such a great time walking around with and exploring this beautiful city with Alternative Hamburg. So thank you very much, guys. It's been amazing. We've absolutely loved it.
Yeah, if you guys want to check them out, we will link them down below. So if you guys are in Hamburg, you can check them out as well, because we've had a pretty sick tour today. It has been amazing. We've tried so many different local beers and been to a couple of different local places that I don't think we probably would have discovered on our own, which has been pretty cool.
Yeah, it's been so lovely going to these places where it's just locals.
Yeah, and local beer as well, most importantly.
Exactly.
Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching.
We really appreciate it. If this is your first time here, this is Sally and I am Ed.
Hey guys.
And at the moment we're traveling from Sydney in Australia all the way to London without getting on a single airplane.
And at the moment, as you obviously know because you've watched this whole video, we are in Hamburg in Germany, and we are so close to London. We have 2 more stops before we make it to London. Yes. So make sure you subscribe down below.
Give this video a like and share it with your friends.
And we will see you in the next video.